you are new to my channel, my name is Nikol. Welcome. And if you are returning, hey, how you doing? Thanks for coming back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Again, it is all very appreciated. Please join the family, you know what I'm saying? So, in today's video, I will be doing a body care video, just showing you guys like my shower routine. This is something that I've incorporated for a few months. I do want to give credit to Naturally Niecy because a good portion of it I did like learn from her, and it has helped me. So I do want to give credit to her. But yes, I will be showing you guys my shower routine and just like my body care routine, just like exfoliating, you know, the soaps that I use and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I know y'all thought y'all was about to see me in the shower, but that is coming. But I just wanted to give a quick preface. So I've been wanting to transition everything that I've been doing into all natural products. Like, I prefer to use shea butters instead of lotions, but there are certain lotions that I use, but I prefer to use shea butter instead of lotions. A lot of the soaps that I use different types, but a lot of the soaps that I use are all natural, just because, just a little background, a lot of the mainstream products that are out that we all use on our bodies contain chemicals that is addictive to our skin and our body. This is how companies have designed their products. The reason being for this is because they want consumers to be able to not go without these products, because essentially that just means more money in their pocket. And everything seems fine while you're using it because your body's addicted and you're, resupplying it. But after you're done, when you try to stop using these products, your body goes through a withdrawal. You might be thinking that because you tried to use a new product, the new product is causing you issues, when really it's just your body is now off of these chemicals that it's been so used to that it causes withdrawals. For example, if you used a certain type of soap, like in your, womanly area, and you stop using it to switch to something else, you'll think, oh, it's this new thing that I'm using, when in reality it could just be that the soap that you were using previously for so long, your body has become used to it, it's become addicted to it, and now when you stop using it, now you're having issues. So yes, that's why I've been trying to make the transition over to all natural products. So I would probably say almost every product in here is natural, maybe except one or two, and even then I don't really use those just because I try to follow my routine every day to the T. But okay, that was the purpose that I wanted to give you guys. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that. And now we're really about to get into the video. So, okay, I'm really digging this time. Okay, so I had to put the dewy on because baby hair cannot get wet. Okay, so step one, I am using my lavender Dr. Bronner's Castile soap and my African exfoliating net. The reason I converted over into an African exfoliating net is because loofahs actually carry a lot of bacteria and they do not get your body as clean as you think they do. African exfoliating nets actually have a lot of good benefits, such as you get a mild exfoliant every day that keeps your body soft and gets rid of all the dead skin, but you also are able to get your back. So if you struggle with any body acne and things like that, your African exfoliating net will help you get to those hard to reach areas. I wanted to feature some of the natural soaps that I had mentioned earlier. Guys, there are so many different natural soaps out there. There's literally a natural soap for everything. So don't be afraid to get out there and try new things. I told myself that I wouldn't buy any more until I finished these bars. So that's what I'm going to do. But moving on. So I will be using the Vanity Planet spin brush coupled with whatever soap I'm using for that day to exfoliate the areas that I struggle the most with ingrown hairs. Exfoliating these areas will help decrease the amount of ingrown hairs that you have while brightening those areas over time. If you are shaving, I recommend that you wax because it removes the hair at the follicle and will also decrease the amount of ingrown hairs that you have. In my case, I'm going through laser, so I have to shave in order for the treatment to be adequately executed, but I recommend everyone should wax. I use the small attachment for my underarms and I use the big attachment for my bikini area. The next step in my routines is body scrubs. Here I'm just showing you the various body scrubs that I own, but I recommend that everyone uses a scrub 2 to 3 times a week because it keeps your skin moisturized and it also keeps your skin soft. Here I'm using the Dove exfoliating body polish, and I think it does a pretty good job at hydrating your skin and an okay job at exfoliating, but I'm not crazy about it. So if you guys have any recommendations, please leave some comments so that I can go try them out. Now moving on to body butters. Here I'm just showing you the various body butters that I own. But after the shower, I put on the body butters while my skin is still damp because it seals in the moisture and all the hard work that you did in the shower. I prefer body butters over lotion just because they are more natural, and lotion does have a lot of preservatives, but not all lotions are terrible. Moving on to deodorant. I love this deodorant because it smells good and it's not too harsh on my skin, but I do not use it every day. I only use it when I have to go somewhere. Other than that, if I take a shower and I stay home, then I use a body oil that smells good and is not harsh on your skin at all, because over time using deodorant can be harsh on your skin and they do have harsh chemicals. So I'm looking for a natural deodorant that actually works, so I'll keep you guys up to date with that. But yeah, that's pretty much my entire tutorial, my entire routine. Hey guys, so obviously, as you know, I just finished my shower routine. It's pretty simple, but I do think those small tasks go a long way. So if you all want to see anything else, just let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.